The vocabulary word we are exploring now is billiards. Billiards. Have you ever watched people hitting balls with a cue stick on a green table? That game is called billiards. It's a classic indoor game that blends skill, strategy, and patience. Let's explore its meaning, examples, and a short story to understand it better. Meaning of billiards. Billiards is a cue sport played on a table, where players use sticks to strike balls and score points by sinking them into pockets or hitting targets. Examples: he spent the evening playing billiards with friends. The pub has a billiards table in the back room. She's learning new billiards tricks from her coach. Short story. Every Friday, Leo met his grandfather at the local recreation center to play billiards. It started as a way to spend time together, but soon, Leo got really good. His grandfather taught him strategies and how to read angles like a pro. One day, Leo entered a small tournament and won second place. Proudly, he gave the trophy to his grandfather. For Leo, billiards wasn't just a game, it was a connection to tradition, patience, and family memories that would last a lifetime.